Hello YouTubers, so today we're gonna have an episode about 3 important crypto updates since yesterday. So I made a little research. I also looked at the general news and some famous crypto YouTubers, which I will mention in the description. So they're good to subscribe. They have really good sources. They talk about cryptocurrency. Let's go to the first news. So central bank initiative to make its own crypto. Here we have the talks that the central bank wants to compete with cryptocurrency. It wants to create its own digital currency. I mean, come on. I mean, don't they know that already the fiat currency is affected by it? I mean, people who own cryptocurrency, they literally spend them with Visa, and it does affect the fiat. So already there are things that they're missing out on basically understanding where the spendings are. And also they cannot control the blockchain, right? They cannot. So let them do their own crypto, okay? But I don't believe they can basically do an impact on that. I mean, why would people want to buy the central bank digital currency, right? I mean, we know that they can make their own market manipulations. They've been doing it with the banking system. That's why we have crypto. And I think they shouldn't do that. They should just allow banks to basically adapt to it. I mean, there's a lot of banks globally that they do accept cryptocurrency already, okay? And this is what globally the banks should do. Otherwise, if they don't do it, then other banks will do that and they'll be one step ahead. And then we're gonna see more banks closing because clients are gonna prefer to go with banks that they don't have hassle accepting cryptocurrency, okay? And like literally, what do these companies, they think that they're idiots? Like, you're being exposed, just adapt and don't make your own crypto. It will fail. I mean, yes, I mean, you should adapt. You should adapt. I mean, look at the companies that I'm talking about, right? So we have already companies are moving forward. Like you have MicroStrategy, right? They hold 124,391 Bitcoin in reserve. You have Tesla, which 42,902 Bitcoin, okay? You have all these big companies, 16,400 Bitcoin, Galaxy Digital Holding, Voyager Digital, 12,260. I mean, you get the point, right? So people are moving forward. These people, they're just, I would say, lazy to learn about that. They just need to get out of the mentality of the competition side of it and just join it and let people easily use crypto with the within the banks. That's the main point, okay? Now let's talk about the famous YouTuber, okay, Lark Davis, made an analysis about Bitcoin. And yeah, El Salvador probably is making millions now because the market is going up. Not that much, but it starts to go up. So he's saying that there is still time to take advantage of the rebound. I'm not sure. I think there is still. And according to his analysis, when the DXY bulls, Bitcoin bears. And at the moment, DXY is bearing. That means Bitcoin should start to go up. I mean, look at that. Look at the Bitcoin here. That's the 9-week time. I mean, it's time for it, according to the technical analysis and the fundamental, that it will go up. So Bitcoin also now is a good investment, you know. And also you have Capital Venture, another famous crypto YouTuber, which I will mention in the description. And he made an analysis about ADA, that it looks like it's gonna bull. I mean, look at that. Look how much it went down and now it's going up. So you have ADA, you have Bitcoin, and you have Ethereum. And that's it. That was a short video about the crypto market update. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, learn, share, and subscribe. Till next time, Crypto Inspector out.